Hey, paisanos, it's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show!
With the Mario Brothers and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Hooked on the brothers. Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas and Troopers, the Princess and the others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. To the bridge. The brothers!
Mario Brothers Plumbing, you clog 'em, we clear 'em. What? The President of the United States. Could you hold on just a minute, sir? Thank you. Mario, come here.
As the guy on the phone says, you ready for this? He's President of the United States.
Let's enjoy this.
Well, hello? Yes, what is that, sir? Premier Gorbachev is coming to the United States and wants to meet us, the Mario Brothers, right? Yeah.
This is good. What does he think he's doing? Give me the phone. Hello? Yes, Mr. President. I've got a little question to ask you, sir. Is your refrigerator running? It is? Well, then you better catch it.
What? Mr. President, yes, sir. Well, thank you very much for calling. Yes, I'll make sure to give you regards to Gorby. Right, thank you very much.
Pretty funny, Luigi? Pretty funny. Come on. You know what that probably was? Rolly. Rolly always doing this stuff to us. You remember the last time? Get the phone.
Oh, that guy. He had us running everywhere. Premier Gorbachev. Yeah, okay, fine, sure.
You're not Rolly.
No, I am Boris, KGB. Announcing Premier of Russia, Gorbachev.
Greetings, Mario Brothers, enough small talk. My spies tell me that you make best pizza in Brooklyn. I want to learn how. So impressed.
Yo, it's the Mario Brothers. The plumbing's the game. Found the secret water zone while working on the drain. Lend the princess a hand in the mushroom land. Join the action with the plumbers. You'll be hooked on the brothers. Now, evil Koopa and his troopers are up to misbehaving. They kidnapped the princess mushroom land. Needs saving. Abusing and confusing. Everybody discovers they can't help but be hooked on the brothers.
Plumber's log number 218. We were up to our mustaches in pickled soup, but things were about to get worse.
You're all stopped up, drain brains. Koopa pack, attack!
On guard. I hate to part with you, but the princess needs help.
I'll get you for this, Mario. When you hurt Koopa's nose, you blowed it. That'll teach those tap turkeys. Now, get this thing off.
With pleasure, your reptilian rottenness.
Ouch! I meant the plunger, rodent, not my nose.
gotta get out of here.
Who cares? That slimy snake breath Koopa has my plumber's helper. Who knows what he'll do to it?
I'll buy you a new one.
It's one of a kind. The President of the United States gave that plunger to me personally at the White House.
The President? Wow!
What for?
It all started the day Luigi and I entered the Brooklyn Plumbers Academy to start our basic training. And got assigned the meanest, nastiest brain sergeant ever.
Okay, tall, stand tall, shoulders back, stomachs in. I'm Brain Sergeant Koopaman, and you are the crummiest, most slovenly, shortest would-be plumbers I have ever seen. How do you and this paunch expect to fit under a sink?
Hey, leave my brother's punch out of this.
Watch it, klutz. You guys look more like drain clogs than plumbers. We need men with the right stuff.
We got the right stuff.
You got the wrong stuff. You'll flunk out the first day. I'll see to it personally. Faster, recruits, faster, now.
But Sergeant Koopaman, this is a fire escape. Where are we putting the tub?
We really have to do this to become a plumber?
If you don't, I get to boot you right out of the Plumbers Academy.
Piece of Parmesan cheesecake, right, Luigi?
I think I want to reconsider my career options.
Hut, 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 hut. What took you so long?
Can we take a break and tell you?
Take a break? Are you kidding? You're gonna carry that tub back down and do it again.
Are you sure we want to be plumbers?
Keep plunging, Luigi. We gotta show Koopaman we got the right stuff.
You got 10 seconds to unplug that sink.
Only 10?
Now you got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, that does it. You two are on KP.
KP?
Yeah, Killer Plumbing.
Excuse me, Sergeant Koopaman. Could we please have a drink of water?
Ha! The guy is about to flunk out of Plumbers Academy, and he wants water.
I guess that means no.
Now get up here. Okay, this is your last chance. You got 20 minutes to fit all those pipes together.
Yes, sir, Sergeant. Where are our wrenches?
Who said you get wrenches? Now get to work. Time's up, recruits. Now for your final test.
But Sergeant, this isn't fair. We didn't have wrenches.
Who said I was fair?
Help! We're drowning!
Help? I don't help guys with the wrong stuff. You'll never be plumbers. And that's what they'll put on your tombstones.
Push, Luigi, push! Luigi, look, it's Salvador Drainado, the founder of the Plumbers Academy.
The most famous plumber who ever lived.
Look what it says on the plaque. When the plumbing gets tough, the tough get plumbing.
Yeah, but we got the wrong stuff and we got flunked.
I can't quit now, Luigi. I was born with a plunger in my hand.
I know. Boy was awfully hard on Mom. Come on, we gotta find some other line of work. Maybe we could be librarians.
Hey, what's going on?
Where you been? Down a sewer pipe?
The president of the U.S. surveyor showing the president of Russia around Brooklyn. Hey, Luigi, let's stake out a seat.
Don't worry, dear. Your plumbing will be like new when Sergeant Koopaman is through. Our month's supply of Drain Buster is here. That should do the trick.
I wonder what he wants with concrete.
Good. We'll add some more. Better fix it at the manhole.
Hey, sewage for brains. What are you doing with my fast-drying concrete?
You say fast drying?
Look, Luigi, it's the president, right here in Brooklyn. This is our big chance to prove we're really plumbers.
But Sergeant Koopaman says we got the wrong stuff, and that this is the worst leak anyone's ever seen.
Remember, Luigi, when the plumbing gets tough, the tough get plumbing.
Yeah, the tough get plumbing.
The president's a safe. So the president invited Luigi and me to the White House and presented me with my golden plumber's helper and Luigi with a golden wrench. But now Koopa's got it.
We'll get it back, Mario.
How? We're stuck in this place.
Didn't you guys learn anything in the Plumbing Academy? When the plumbing gets tough, the tough get plumbing.
She's right, Luigi. Do you still have that wrench the president gave you?
Sure, right here.
Well, get to it.
We'll be out of here faster than you can say lasagna cream pie.
I thought we almost had it. Well, try something else.
Okay, Your Royal Cooperness, take a big sniff of this pepper.
Moron! Double moron! How can I smell it with this stink on my nose?
turns your nose. Not till I get my presidential plumber's helper pack. Need some backup, guys?
Okay, Mario.
On 3. 1, 2.
I will not tolerate.
3.
Hey, aren't you gonna... Guards! Troopers! Somebody! Help!
Doesn't look like close contact with a Koopa snoot did it any harm.
So you feel good now that you have it back?
No, hungry. And when the plumber gets hungry, the plumber gets pasta.
Like a pizza, you can divide the world up into many, many, many pieces, right?
Yeah, but if Uncle Tony comes, he'll eat more than his share, and we'll have to order more pizza.
Gentlemen, please, I do not have much time. Perhaps it would go quicker if I assisted, huh? Boris needs both.
Hey, you're messing with Mama's special recipe.
Ukrainian sour cream. Yeah, from Mother Russia.
Oh, well, that looks like baby grapes. Excuse me, Premier.
We'll be right back.
Yes. You know something, Luigi? He may know a lot about running the nation, but he don't know nothing about making pizza. I mean, I know that. You know that.
Well, Mario, he's going to hate this pizza. He's going to get mad, and we're all in a lot of trouble.
It's bubbling like pizza, but I don't know about this caviar and this borscht. Hey, Luigi, I tell you the truth, I'm worried.
Well, I am too, Mario. I could see it all now. Mario Brothers cause international trouble. Bad pizza to blame.
Is pizza ready, comrade?
Yes, coming right up. Premier Gorbachev. You know, I was thinking, you don't want to taste this pizza. Come on, let me take you to Yankee Stadium. I'll buy you one of them all-American hot dogs.
I want to sample pizza of my own creation.
What?
Is not good.
Is not good.
Is not good.
Is not good.
And Luigi likes it. Like it? I love it. When I get home, I will open pizza shop in basement of Kremlin. Huh? I make 1,000,000 rubles. Oh, I open my own pizza place. Huh? You guys will be famous all over Russia. You are great Americans. America is great country.
Hey, Gobi!
What?
Will your pizza parlor deliver?
I promise delivery in 30 days or pizza free.
Bad idea.
Till next time, everybody, to the Mario!
Do the Mario! Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step, and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. You got it. It's the Mario. Do the Mario. Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step, and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. Come on now, just like that.
Cookie jar!